Welcome everybody to an introduction to Google Voice. The first place to find Google Voice is in your App Store. This is the iPhone version. It'll work with iPhone, Android, or your tablet. There are 4 basic functions in Google Voice. The first, of course, is for calls. You'll notice here I've blocked out the numbers for privacy reasons. You simply select the calls icon in the bottom, and just to the right, you'll see a green keypad. Once you've chosen the keypad, it looks and acts just like a normal phone. One big difference and a distinct advantage is you'll notice that the number in the middle of my screen is not the same as the number at the bottom of my screen. That's because Google Voice does its job very well and works as an in-between to give yourself a second number in order to allow for a little bit of privacy. When you first sign in with your Google account and select the area that you want to call from, Google Voice does its job and assigns you a completely new number. In this way, it works and acts just like your normal phone. You can even save contacts. Also, just like your normal phone, you can text using the messages portion at the bottom of the app. You can see that Google Voice has a lot of possibilities for allowing a little bit of privacy in your contact with parents. So, the first thing you would need to do is to sign up with your Google account and the normal phone number that you usually use. If your district login doesn't work, you may have to create a new Google account. Then you search the area that you want to call from and select which number that you want to use. After that, you just make your calls and send your texts securely.